Who's ready for a wee partois? That was way louder than I intended it to be. So anytime I've spoken to anyone that I know who is married or going to be married about their hen do, they've all said pretty much the same thing, that they wanted it to be different, they wanted it to be original, they wanted it to be nothing like anyone else's. So one way that you can go about making sure that is the case is by coming up with a theme. But it's not always easy to come up with a theme, is it? No, it is not. I'm answering my own questions now. It's difficult to come up with a theme sometimes, you get my drift. So to help out a little bit, here are my top 5 hen party theme ideas to give you a little bit of inspiration. Idea number 1, base it around a celebrity. By picking a celebrity, you could have everyone attending the hen do dress up as the various looks they've had in the past, or even characters that this person has played in movies throughout their career. For example, if you picked Angelina Jolie, for instance, you could have someone dressed up as Missy Smith, Maleficent, Lara Croft, Christine Collins, Lainey Kerrigan, Fox, I could go on. Or you could pick a music artist and do different looks that they've had in previous music videos. We all know how many looks that Beyonce and Britney and Gaga have pulled off in the past, so y'all gonna be spoiled for choice. The best thing about this idea is that it's dressing up without actually dressing up, if you know what I mean. It's not necessarily really out there, it's not in your face, you can make it as, you know, extreme and really go for it, or as casual and minimal as you want, and it just means that whether you're going out, staying in, it's just a fun element that you could add. Idea number 2, pick a decade. Think about it. You could do anything. All out Grease lightning for the 50s. Grease was set in 1959, but it's still the 50s. You could do flower power for the 60s, or my personal favourite, the 20s. I'm talking all out Gatsby. This is one of those ideas that you could really push the boat out with. If you were staying in, you know, one of our hen houses, for example, you could go all out, dress the whole thing up, all the decorations, all the feathers, get themed music, and it's a way for people to glam up without, again, feeling too conscious about it being dress up, essentially. I love a wee bit of the 20s, so I do. Idea number 3, the Hunger Games. I'm just kidding. Idea number 3, pick a movie, which could be the Hunger Games technically, so haha. This could be the bride's favourite movie that you could theme the party around. It doesn't necessarily have to be, like I wouldn't expect my friends to rock up as the cast of The Shawshank Redemption. But to help you get the idea, I'll give you a proper example. Picture Alice in Wonderland, where you could set up the whole thing as a Mad Hatter's tea party. First of all, perfect excuse for afternoon tea. Who doesn't love a wee afternoon tea? And as a clear bonus, films like Alice in Wonderland have plenty of characters for people to dress up as. So you've got Alice, you've got the Cheshire Cat, you've got the Caterpillar, Queen of Hearts, Tweedledum, Tweedledee, the Mad Hatter, the March Hare, the Dormouse, so many more. And seeing as there's this tradition, I'm not sure if it's widely spread tradition, but there's this small tradition about the bride-to-be wearing white at her hen do, like she will be at her wedding, and she could 100% dress up as the White Rabbit. Look at that, we're inviting some tradition into this party. Oh, and I just pictured you could put little drink me tags on your cocktail glasses and little like eat me cupcakes. Oh, this could be so good. Someone take notes for my hen do. Idea number 4, go nice and simple with red carpet. This is perfect for anyone who isn't too fussed about the whole kind of fancy dress kind of element, but still wants a theme for their hen party night. Everyone can glam up in their own way, in their own style, and this would be amazing if you were in one of our hen houses again, just where you would have space to go all out and just get the hair, the makeup, the nails, the whole shebang done, invite your butlers and the buff, roll out a red carpet, and that is a glamorous night by anyone's standards. And last but by no means least, idea number 5, superheroes / Marvel, because let's be real, they pretty much own everything now anyway. If you've got a really big group of people and it's going to be a big hen do and you want to make sure that everyone's got something to dress up as, this is your clear winner. Between movies and comic books, superheroes dominate in terms of numbers. There are so many. There might be some that you've never even heard of, but that just adds to the fun of it, doesn't it? A really fun idea I had for this one is it would be really cool to do like heroes and villains, where you would write down different hero and villain pairings, put them all into a hat, get people to pick them, don't tell anyone what you're going as until the night, and then when everyone sees each other's costumes, try and figure out who is your hero and villain, like that kind of thing. Make a game of it, essentially. This kind of theme is just for someone who wants to have fun and go all out, make it hilarious, and you can theme the whole day / night around it. You can have themed food and drinks, you can make up cool games, like pin the shield on the Captain America. It would be so fun. So yeah, those are my top 5 hen party theme ideas. By all means, please do leave some of your own in the comments below. We can all like help each other out. And maybe also let us know which one of the 5 ideas is your favourite, and then maybe I can do a themed like makeup, hair, look, example, costume thing for what one you decide is your favourite. But other than that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more hen, stag, wedding in general themed content from us in the future. Check out the videos we have up on our channel right now. Check out our social medias and follow us for any updates. All the links are in the description, along with a link to our website where you can see what lovely destination you could be taking your themed hen party to. But I think that's all I have for now. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!